Hey everybody, it's Batty Boy. Today we're gonna be playing. We're not playing anything, but you know Mr. Cool. Yeah, he's gonna get attacked by plovers. He's a freaking douchebag. Right there. Okay, watch out, there's plovers. So he's gonna go out there. I don't know where the friggin' hell the plovers are. Just go out there and find the plovers. So he's going to get the plovers and he's going to attack them with his bike. You bad luck. Or this bird. And then there's JP Little Man. I haven't played with him yet. He's just a dick. Well, there they are up the hill. Yeah, there's a dick. Look at this idiot. Oh my god. Sorry. JP Little. We're back. JP Little Man's a dick. He just there will be birds like getting him soon, and there goes JP Little Man. Apparently, yeah, it's really squishy. No one cares. Look at these idiots. What are you doing? You're standing there on a bike. Oh. We'll be back when they actually get attacked after all this. They're fighting! Oh, that is hilarious. That is just, what are they doing now? They're doing something with the bike. Oh my god. You moron. What are you two doing? We'll be back again. We're back again. These idiots clearly have nothing to do with these plovers. Oh my god, he's attacking them with the bike. What are you gonna do? You gotta what the hell? You gotta pick up the bike and throw it at them! Just pick it up! You gotta throw it! Throw it at them! Oh my god. Oh, that's the end of this epically failed video, guys. Like, thanks for watching. You're a dick!